What's up, friends in the hood? Greetings to everybody and welcome if you're new to this channel. Today's new review time for the Hosim. So 1/16 scale, like the Xinlehong Q903. You know, these are the best budget cars ever. Really, such a good battery, so durable. It's a brushless system, out of the box, and I love these cars. So let's get it out of the box. So here's our manual, as always, all the stuff you know. Lipo back. That's cool, Hosim. Really great job. Now let me see. A transmitter. Come on. Come on, man. Here it is. So here we have some spare clips, a hex nut for the battery tray, charger, USB charger, and an Allen key tool. No, it's not an Allen key. Sorry, hex nut tool. Everything we need, guys. And here is our transmitter. So as always, got 3 AA batteries to power it. Really cool. That's all the stuff. Really impressed with the Lipo bag. That's cool, guys. Really like it. So let's get a car out of the box. Yeah. So with a wheelie bar, as you can see, drive good, really. Yeah, not the oil-filled shocks, so definitely going to upgrade them, like in my previous videos. So I have a lot of videos from the Xinlehong, the same car, and it's crazy, it's unbelievable, guys. Really, I like it so much. And yeah, let's take a look at the inside. So we got a nice battery strap from Hosim. Yeah, and that's why, because we have the extra let me show you. So it's a serial or parallel. Don't hit me, guys, I always do the mistake on that. It was serial or parallel. So it means that you with this plug you double the milliamp. So let us take a look. So it's 1000 milliamp, one Lipo. We have 2s, and with this plug we have 2000 milliamp. That's really cool, guys. Really, it's perfect. So as you can see, brushless motor. What do you want more? So guys, so what do we have? We have LED lights in the front. We have some nice grippy tires. Really, for stock tires, they're really good. And the canopy looks really nice. It looks a little bit different than the Xinlehong ones, but really nice overall. So let us check what do we have under the canopy. So as I showed you before, the brushless motor, and we got a 3-wire servo. We got this 35 ESC, super cool. And yeah, we got some metal gears, metal drive shaft, and out of the box for budget RC car brushless system, so tiny with this wheelbase, with the short wheelbase. So it's a lot of fun, really, guys. So I like these cars very much. So for sure I'm going to upgrade the shocks to oil shock absorbers. That's a must for any car you have, so it's so different after that. And what else do we gonna do, guys? I have a little nice set of tires. So there's like pedals, sand tires, and all the stuff. And yeah, most of you guys know I love these cars, and I did some couple of mods with the Xinlehong one. So but I'm going to do this here with the pedal tires, and on 3S maybe I'll upgrade the ESC to drive it on a light 4S. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm trying to get this thing over the water, like the X-Max on 8S. I think all you guys know is outside on the word from YouTube, from the videos. So I'm trying this, really. What I must say, guys, the cables from the motor, soldered, and how they are, they look very good. I think they look much better like on the Xinlehong one. So Really great cars, guys, really great cars. So I'm driving this thing always on 3S. It's super power, really. Power it on, and we're done. Super cool, really. Hosim did a good job, really, I must say that. So let's drive this thing, a little bit bashing time.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no fly in the mirror. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. You was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is long. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone. I've been blast them all. Sliding on faith. I've been finding my ways. Grinding for days. I've been shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase. Let it turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't wanna raise.
So guys, these are really the best budget cars you can ever have. Really, I love them so much. Hosim, Xinlehong are the same, guys. These are out of the box, ready to ride, stock brushless system. 2S they ripping, on 3S they flipping. Yeah, really, guys, totally amazing. Really, I love them so much, you know that. And I'm going to do some more upgrades on this one, and stay tuned, guys. Really, it will be really cool. Put on these some oil shocks, and you're done, guys. Really, only oil shocks in the Superb. Put in a 3S Lipo, give it a fan for the motor, and I'm going to do a 4S brushless upgrade, guys, with pedal tires. And I want to going over the sea, over the water. We will see, guys. Stay safe, stay tuned. See you.